Well, it's effective for recovering from those long piles, but it typically doesn't give you quite the same microscopic blending uniformity as the full-width bridge type.
Gotcha. Then there's the really visually impressive one. Looks like something from a sci-fi mining operation.
Ah, the bucket wheel reclaimer. Unmistakable.
Huge wheel with
A
buckets.
very large rotating wheel. Yeah, fitted with multiple buckets that scoop or cut the material away.
What's the key advantage here?
Speed and volume. Sheer throughput. It offers very high reclaiming capacity, runs continuously, very robust.
So for big plants,
Exactly. Large-scale plants needing to move a lot of material fast. Especially good for coarser stuff, higher volumes like iron ore, or maybe rougher limestone.
speed and volume for coarse stuff. Okay. And the last type, the drum reclaimer. What's the trade-off here?
This one is about gentle handling and flow consistency rather than just speed or force.
Gentle.
Yeah, it uses a rotating drum, and it has scrapers attached that remove the material softly.
Why gentle?
The main advantage is it gives you a